Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Roanne, and kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and of course the bell button beside it para updated kayo every time I upload a new video, and of course, follow me on all my social media accounts. So for today's video, we are going to unbox the new collection of Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which is the Blood Money collection. Itra-try din natin guys yung bagong palette niya, and if you wanna see the whole collection, then just keep on watching.
This is Roanne.
So, nagpadala na naman sa atin guys si Jeffree Star ng kanyang bagong collection, which is the Blood Money collection. And ito na yung box niya guys. Sobrang bigat niya. And let's open it. Pagkabukas mo guys ng box niya, merong ganitong eksena. Ayan, may pa-money effect. Si kumari mo Jeffree. And ang first item natin guys is this one. Nakalagay siya sa kanyang paper na ganitong itsura. Ang ganda ng effect niya. Mommy vibes yung effect na collection na to. And this one is the mirror. So, meron siyang cover na foam. And ito na yung kanyang mirror. So, ganito yung itsura guys ng mirror niya. Hindi katulad ng mga normal Jeffree Star mirror na pa-star yung shape niya. This one is para siyang coin yung itsura niya. And yung mirror niya guys, super high quality. Sobrang liwanag ng kanyang mirror. Okay guys, so the next item is this one, the mother of this collection, which is the palette. And ganito yung itsura ng box niya. Naka-emboss yung nakalagay na Blood Money and of course yung logo. So kapag bubuksan mo siya guys, of course, merong pa-emeng ganyan. And let's open it. And this is the real daddy. So this is the palette guys, and super cute niya. Para siyang, pwede niyo siyang gawing bag. Alam niyo yun, parang clutch. Ayan o. Diba? Merong logo dito, and ito yung parang pinaka-lock niya. Ganyan. And ang ganda pa dito guys is meron siyang mga design na gold hardware dito sa kanyang mga edges, and ang lakas maka-social. And of course, this one is cruelty-free. Packaging palang bonggang-bongga na, and kung nakikita nyo, nandito yung parang crocodile skin, pero this one is fake crocodile skin. So, gawin natin tong parang relaxing. Ooh! Tanggalin natin yung plastic. And ganito yung itsura ng palette guys. It's more on green, pero lahat na ng green na gusto mo nandito na. Yung dark tones and yung parang neon effect. Dito talaga ako na-excite sa neon effect ng kanyang palette. And merong mga pang transition shades. Meron siyang salamin. Ang ganda ng quality ng salamin niya guys. And this one, merong mga details pa dito sa gilid na logo ng Jeffree Star and money. So, yung salamin niya guys, hindi siya yung, alam mo yung parang tumatabi ni yung mukha mo kapag nagsasalamin ka. Hindi. Maganda yung quality ng kanyang salamin. Talagang bongga. So, try nating amuyin guys. Amoy cardboard siya na amoy Nestle cream. Ganun yung amoy ng palette niya. But, ngayon guys, is gawa na tayo ng look using this Blood Money palette. Let's go! Naka-base na ako, nakapag-concealer na ako, and nakapag-powder na ako, and contour kilay. So, ang ginamit ko sa aking concealer is this one, of course, from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the Magic Star Concealer. And yung ginamit ko namang powder is this one, the Magic Star Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. And this one guys, super nice dahil amoy cotton candy siya. Ngayon guys, hindi ako maglalagay ng eye primer dahil itra-try natin yung pigment ng palette para makita talaga natin yung effect niya. Medyo lumapit ako para mas makita niya yung gagawin natin sa ating eyeshadow, and gagawa tayo ng parang smoky eye pero may neon wing. So, let's go! I'm going to get this shade Jaded. Ilalagay ko lang siya dito para pang dark ng ating eyes. So, grabe yung pigment niya, guys. Tatap-tap ko lang and then mamaya kukuha tayo ng blending brush. So, kukuha ako ng blending brush and this one is the Morphe M433 and kukunin ko tong Crocodile Tears na shade. And ikakalat ko lang, i-blend lang natin. I'm going to get this shade Persuasion para mas dark yung edge ng ating eyeshadow. So, itap-tap ko lang muna siya bago natin i-blend. After blending everything out, I'm going to get this shade Chameleon Fetish para dito sa ating inner corners ng ating eyes. And then, we're going to get this shade Emerald Estate. Ilalagay ko sa gitna ng ating eyelids para may shimmer. And, grabe, bongga, oh. Parang umiilaw. Ang ganda na itong shade na to, guys. Nagdagdag lang ako, guys, na itong shade na Black Card Limit dito sa ating under eye. And then, dito lalagyan ko din. Dahil parang nakukulangan ako sa pagka-dark ng green niya. And after that, guys, we are now going to get this lip bundle. Ito yung Money Honey na lip bundle. And this is the mini Velour liquid lipstick. And ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. So, ang kukunin kong shade is High Society para sa ating eyeliner. And let's go. Kukuha lang ako ng aking detailed brush. Ayan, ganyan kaliit. And then, tong High Society, guys, ay ilalagay ko sa aking kamay. Super favorite kong gawing eyeliner yung mga liquid lipstick ni Jeffree Star kasi talagang sobrang pigmented. Ang ganda ng color, guys, ng High Society. Para siyang mint green. So, ganito ang itsura ng ating eye look. Pero, meron pa, guys. Ito na nga. Merong bagong product ng Jeffree Star Cosmetics which is kaka-release lang kasama ng collection na to. This one, ito yung kanilang eyeliner. Ganito yung kanilang packaging. And, super slick lang. So, this one is 6 months after opening and gaganyanin mo lang. Tutusukin mo lang ng airy light and ayan na yung kanilang eyeliner. So, this one is in the shade Money Counter. So, kukunin mo siya dyan sa kanyang pagkakahiga and super ganda, guys, nung feels ng kanyang packaging. It's matte and classy. So, ganito yung itsura niya sa malapitan. Pagka binuksan mo, ayan ang itsura ng kanyang eyeliner. Try natin, guys, kung creamy ba yung kanyang eyeliner. Ooh, wow. So, this one is one swipe only. And ilalagay ko siya sa ating waterline. So, this one, guys, is a automatic eyeliner. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan ng sharpener. And, ayan, iikutin mo na lang. So, mas gusto ko yung ganito kaysa sa mga tinatasahan. And ganyan yung itsura niya, guys, kung nakikita nyo sa aking under eye. And ngayon, maglalagay na ako ng lashes. And ayan yung ating eye makeup look, guys. Merong 5 shades yung eyeliner ni Jeffree Star. So, ayan yung 5 shades. I will be doing a separate video swatching all the shades from this collection. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box. Next item from this collection is, of course, the Extreme Frost. Ito, guys, yung pinaka-favorite kong highlighter dahil super grabeng ganda ng kanyang payoff. And we have 2 shades. The Cold Hard Cash and Stripper Magic. Of course, the packaging is so extra. So, nakalagay siya sa faux leather na parang ring na lalagyan. And yung logo ni Jeffree Star nandito. And when you open it, ganito ang itsura niya. So, this one is yung gold type ng kanyang highlighter. Pero meron siyang green na epic. While this Stripper Magic naman na shade is Ganto ang shade niya, parang white and icy, pero may touch of green. So, ang gagamitin kong shade is this one, the Stripper Magic. Ganto ang kanyang itsura. Grabe, super blinding. Ooh, ayan. O, diba? Bongga siya. And for the lips, guys, kukuha ulit tayo dito sa Money Honey na bundle. I think I'm going special order para nudish something ang kanyang shade, and let's go. So, kumuha lang ako ng lip liner in the shade Leo para maline na natin yung ating lips para mas maganda yung effect. This collection, guys, meron din siyang kasamang lip balm. Ganito ang itsura niya, and kapag binuksan mo, of course, yung packaging ng Jeffree Star Cosmetics na bullet type. And ganito ang color niya. Color green siya, pero guys, ang payoff niya, or kapag nilagay mo na siya sa lips mo, is clear ang labas niya. So, this one is lip balm. Super addict na addict ako sa kanilang lip balm, guys. Actually, ang ginagamit ko ngayon is this one, yung Shane Dawson na lip balm nila. Ayan, gamit na. And I'm so happy na merong kasama ulit na lip balm dito sa kanilang collection. And of course, hindi mawawala, guys, kapag meron siyang bagong collection, merong The Gloss. So, merong 4 shades ng The Gloss. Ganito ang kanilang packaging. Ayan, o, diba? And ito yung mga shades ng gloss. This collection, guys. So, alam niyo na nga, diba, kapag ka Jeffree Star or Jeffree Star Cosmetics, kapag nagre-release sila ng kanilang mga collection is very extra. Talagang yung makeup game nila is bonggang-bongga. For this collection, I super love it. Kahit green siya, guys, alam niyo, parang nagiging wearable na siya. And kung gusto niyo yung talagang nagpa-pop ng color, you can use this palette. Kasi hindi lang siya nagfo-focus sa isang color, which is color green. Meron din siyang mga ibang shades. Like we have here yung mga pwedeng pang-highlight. Like this one, this shade, the CEO. Pwedeng pang-shimmer-shimmer sa inyong shadow. And of course, this one, the Private Island. Pwede siyang pang-everyday shadow. Ganito kasi yung ginagamit kong shade kapag gusto kong mag-eyeshadow. Pero yung, alam niyo, yung pang everyday lang. So, gantong effect lang. And pwede kang mag-smoky eye. Ayan, madami kang looks na pwedeng gawin using this palette. And nagustuhan ko naman din, guys, is sa mga gloss nila, super wearable. Unlike sa ibang collection nila, minsan is nagbe-blue or violet. But this one, super wearable. Pwedeng gamitin for everyday. And guys, nabonggahan ako dito sa ginamit kong shade, which is Special Order. Sobrang ganda ng pagka-brownish nude type niya, and bumagay siya sa ating look. And nagustuhan ko din, guys, yung kanilang Extreme Frost dahil super wearable na mga shades. Sobrang ganda. Super blinding. I love it. And that is it, guys, for this video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating pag-unbox and paggawa ng ating makeup look using the Blood Money collection from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And of course, meron tayong top 3 comments of the day. Anong masisay nyo sa ating makeup today? Magchikahan tayo sa comment section down below. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye! See you on my next one.